Hey there, you've just invested a significant amount of money in an acorn investment. It's growing steadily, and you're eager to withdraw your earnings. But how long will it take? Let's dive into the world of acorn withdrawals and find out. Understanding acorn withdrawals. Acorn is a popular micro-investment app that allows users to invest small amounts of money. When it comes to withdrawing your funds, there are a few factors to consider. Withdrawal type. Regular withdrawals, these are typically processed within a few business days. Acorn aims to provide a quick and efficient withdrawal experience. Partial withdrawals, if you only want to withdraw a portion of your funds, the processing time can vary slightly. Complete withdrawals, closing your entire Acorn account might take a bit longer as they need to ensure all transactions are settled. Withdrawal method. Bank transfer, this is the most common method. The transfer time can depend on your bank's processing speed, but it usually takes a few business days. Check, if you prefer a check, it might take slightly longer to arrive in the mail. Account activity. If your account has recently experienced a lot of activity, such as frequent deposits or withdrawals, it might take a little longer to process your request. Factors affecting withdrawal time. Here are some additional factors that can influence the withdrawal time. Weekend or holidays. If you initiate a withdrawal on a weekend or holiday, it might be delayed until the next business day. Bank system issues. If there are technical difficulties with your bank system, it could affect the processing time. Acorn system issues. Occasionally, Acorn might experience technical problems that could delay withdrawals. Tips for faster withdrawals. To expedite your withdrawal process, consider the following tips. Verify your account. Ensure that all your personal and financial information is up to date to avoid delays. Choose the right withdrawal method. Opt for the method that is most convenient and typically faster for your bank. Avoid peak withdrawal times. If possible, try to initiate withdrawals during off-peak hours to reduce processing time. Contact Acorn support. If you have any concerns or questions about your withdrawal, don't hesitate to reach out to Acorn's customer support. Real-life examples. Let's hear from some Acorn users who have recently experienced withdrawals. User A: I initiated a regular withdrawal last week, and the funds were in my bank account within 3 business days. It was pretty quick and hassle-free. User B: I had to do a partial withdrawal due to an emergency. It took a little longer than usual, but I received the funds within 5 business days. Conclusion. In conclusion, the withdrawal time for Acorn investments can vary depending on several factors. By understanding these factors and following the tips mentioned, you can generally expect a smooth and efficient withdrawal process. Remember, if you have any concerns or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Acorn's customer support. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.